Now we're going to talk about name, address, and phone number, or listing management in Google My Business. So I've taken R&R, big franchise, I'm sure many of you are aware of, cut their name, excuse me, from their Google My Business profile, paste it in here with the city because there's multiple locations, and hit enter. Now what I'm doing is I'm looking for their name and their address and their phone number. And here I see rent and roll. Well, it's R&R Tire Express here. It's rent and roll here. Phone number is 314-743-314-887. All right, we got some inconsistencies here. I go further down. We got rent and roll custom, rent and roll Midwest, rent roll. So if you see this, when you do this for your business, if you're seeing this, if it's confusing for you, it's confusing for algorithms, you need to get this cleaned up. One of the other things I'll bring attention to here is look at how they're crushing reviews. This is digital gold. There's resources available on this call with AutoLeap. If you're not there yet, you need a way to get that because it is digital gold. And I think most folks know that by now. Under suggest and edit, you can see they're dropping in the products they sell to signal to Google, hey, we do this. So then Google will then signal to the consumers searching for it, hey, here it is. As we scroll further down, you can see we can post updates within the profile. Now, they stopped doing this 6 months ago, but they were talking about flexible payments. Again, it's just like social media, and Google wants you to post ongoing relevant content, and they'll send your signal that you're sending them to consumers to give you a better opportunity to get that click and hopefully conversion.